Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole Cole. Today we are going to take a tour of our home. I thought this would be a great opportunity to kind of give you a look-see of the house kind of on a normal day-to-day basis. I want to start decorating for summer, so I'm going to add a lot of patriotic pieces. So with all my blue and white, the red just pops against it. So I'm excited to start decorating for summer with you guys. But I really wanted to kind of take you through the house and let you see what it looks like right now before we do anything. I love this little open shelf right in that little alcove as you go into these two bedrooms. But this room right here, we just recently redid. I've really gotten a hang of the patriotic bedroom. I've always had a red, white, and blue room since Alan and I have married. He really loves having a patriotic bedroom. So I love to add in all of my thermoses and my ice. Oh, good gracious, there's Bear. Hello, sir. How are you? But I love to add in my coolers, my ice chests, my thermoses, but then a lot of red, white, and blue. I've just added a lot of eagles that I've picked up, and I shared all that with you all. I will link that video down below. I have added curtains in this room, and I think they really turned out beautiful. To me, curtains just kind of soften a bedroom. It's another layer of aesthetic. You will also notice that I did put that blue buffet table in here. This was my great aunt's buffet table, and I had it in our laundry room pantry area, and I thought I really need to put it back in that bedroom, and I love it here. I'm gonna let y'all look around at this room. If you'll take a good look at the bed, this bed I did with oven cleaner. It is a reproduction bed, so it's not an antique. So I didn't feel as bad about doing the oven cleaner method on it, but it turned out absolutely gorgeous. So let's head on over to our bedroom. In our bedroom, I wanted a very cottage feel. That was the whole look I wanted in here, kind of like a French country cottage. So by creating this wall to create the closet area, I think it gave us that cozy feel that we wanted. And I have finally made my mind up what I want to do with my fireplace mantle, and we'll share that with you all very soon. The cornice over the bed to me just screams French, so I love that feel. And then on either side of the bed, you'll notice it is a screen that I broke in half. And then to have my great-grandmother's couch in here, it's beautiful. I did recently add these curtains to match the back behind our bed, and then just decorating this wall and adding little lamps on either side of the TV just really made it look like a piece of art. The basket on our bed I bought from Target several years ago, and I love adding little vignettes on this area. Our dining room, I absolutely love. I love the mural on one wall. I love the ceiling in the Stardew blue, and I love all the eclectic things that I've added. I've added some more pieces in this room, but I love the way it just fills it up and makes it look really homey. If you're new to my channel, you may have noticed I love blue and white. Pretty much every room in our home has some form of blue. I love adding old and new pieces. I love mixing farmhouse. You know, I love all the different styles. So farmhouse, cottage, French country. I just love mixing all styles. You may also notice I love lambs. I don't know what it is about lambs, but I absolutely love them. I love all kinds of doilies, any kind of linens, everything China. I just collect a lot of things. Now we're going to head on over to the kitchen. Everyone that comes in our home absolutely loves our kitchen. It just screams farmhouse and country. So I have recently redone the kitchen island, and I've added a lot of wood on the kitchen island area. I do plan on redoing the countertops in here, but it's going to be a good time coming. But everything in here is has so many memories to it, like the cookie jar from when I was a little girl. And then there's pieces that remind me of my great-grandmother's home, of my grandmother's home. I mean, there's just so many memories and nostalgia in this room. I love being in here. As every other room in the house, you can tell I have a lot of blue and white china, but in here I collect Roseville pottery, and my kitchen has a lot of Roseville pottery as well as copper. And then you'll notice the plates across the top of my cabinets. This is how my great-grandmother had her kitchen. So I love having those memories there. This room is really, really cozy and comfy, and I love being in here. Now we'll head over to the final guest bedroom. This one is a girly room. I'm still debating on a rug in this room, so please overlook that. But I love this room. It's very frilly and girly. I've added a lot of blue and white in here as well, and just love the taupey colors with the blues in here. This room has a lot of antique pieces as well, and you'll notice that I have my great aunt's hutch over across the bed. I'm probably going to move that out of here very soon, but I love this little room. All right, my sweet friends, I saved the best for last. So this area is my husband's area that we did with all his military memorabilia. I love this little area and I love sharing this with you guys. But our living room, and yes, we did put the blinds back up. It just got where I could not see to watch TV in here, and we needed the blinds. But I think they turned out really pretty back in here. Love this living room, guys. It is so massive, and I've really worked hard on trying to fill all the areas with tiny little vignettes or tiny little areas. So on one side, my husband has his office area. Then in the middle, we have the living room and that fireplace mantle that we redid. Finally got my cabinets with the countertops on the bottom, and it just fills the room. So you've got little different conversation areas, and it just makes the room feel more cozy. I do hope y'all enjoyed this little impromptu home tour, and I hope you'll come back to visit with me. And I would like for you to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It doesn't cost you a thing, but I get to share so many different ideas with you guys, and I absolutely love sharing. God bless you all, and thank you for watching today, and I hope you have a fantastic week.